So a quick tip, this is a 1985 Suzuki lt230s, picked up for $100 last summer on vacation randomly. But anyway, I couldn't find anything on the issue I was having, so I put pads on the calipers. I got them unseized, cleaned up, working fine, they're not leaking. When I put pads in this one, I noticed whenever I would put the caliper on, it was a really tight fit. Like, I almost had to tap it in. So what would happen was, when I would press the lever, pull the lever, the piston was already engaged to the point on the rotor on this side that it would just push the whole caliper off. And I thought the issue was with the sliding bracket and all that shit, but it turned out to be that the inside bearing had blown out, and whoever owned it before had put the castle nut on too tight, which is probably why the bearing blew out. But so what I did is I backed it all the way out, let the caliper self-level by clamping it, and then while clamping it, I just hand tightened the castle nut and put a cotter pin in it, and now the brakes work great. Hope this helps. I don't know if this is common knowledge or not with ATVs or anything with brake and hub setups like this.